Good morning. It is the first weekend in August. It's about 70 degrees, and I thought I'd take you for a little walk through the yard. So that was the loop around the main part of the garden. The flower box, the circle, the square, which is a wah-wah kind of thing right now. The pavilion area, the fountain, my vegetable garden, and our entry or side yard here on the east side of the garden. The flower box, the little drift of white mini vistas is looking really pretty, right? These sweet potato vines, oh my goodness. You need something that gets big, stays bright green, brings a cooling element to your yard. This is your pick. I mean, this would probably look great in a bunch of different places in the yard that just look really sad, because this is amazing looking. On the other side of the box, however, what you can't see from that side is the fact that this side of both of these arborvitaes is completely burned. So much sun has hit them in the afternoon that they are completely scalded. The petunias are doing really well. I have been relatively good about my bedworm spray and fertilizing maybe every 3 weeks or so. I did just notice this one has decided to give up the ghost and has died. The superbinas are looking pretty good. They were looking a little better. I'm not sure if they need more food or it got too hot. The other thing that struggled this summer is the Atlas rose. It defoliated in the middle of the summer. I've showed you the mint julep topiary a couple times. And it is also not doing well. There is a lot of dead in the back. Specifically looks really bad from the side that gets nailed in the afternoon sun. I was asked once if the bees like the petunias. They do like the petunias and they love the sweet potato vine. I did do a summer prune on the apium, trying to reduce some of the height out of the plant. I probably took 5 feet out of the top of the plant. I have found a couple pomegranates forming in the wonderful pomegranate. The O. Henry peach is weighed down with so much fruit. The Fuyu persimmon is still hanging in there. I had to stake it because of the breeze was kind of knocking it over. I do have a couple persimmons on the plant and there are quite a few scalded leaves. I did pull most of the persimmons off of this plant in order to help protect it, but overall it's still surviving. And I have one pink satin pomegranate on here that I found, but it is not forming up very much, so I suspect it's not going to make it. And I believe potentially because it maybe doesn't get quite enough sun right here under the crepe myrtle. Quick view of the purple pillar rose of Sharon. It is in bloom right now and looking really pretty. A win for me are the echinacea. This is the fragrant angel that I had last year, and it is looking good that I transplanted at the beginning of this year. This is a white swan. I can't believe it. I actually grew this from seed. I think that pretty much shows you everything that is going well and not quite as well so far this summer. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.